Hi friends, today in class we learned how can we use maps to best serve our needs. We got to see an example of using Google Maps in the classroom. Today it's your turn to use Google Maps on your own to find your school or your home. So let's look at it together and let's see what we have to do. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Google Maps by clicking on this link. Then once I'm in Google Maps, I'm going to go to this slide and I'm going to see different things. I'm going to save my location, get directions to or from my location, zoom in and zoom out, click on the street view of images, and click on satellite view. After playing with all these different buttons, I'm going to answer what did they do. Maybe after I click zoom in and zoom out, I'm going to tell how it looks different on my map. For the street view images, once I click my little person and put them in the street, I'm going to tell how did it look different? What did the feature do? Satellite view, how did my map change all of a sudden when I click satellite view? Save, what happened when I click save? Did anything special happen? Remarkable. And then directions. How do the directions look? Are they readable? After I do all that, friends, I'm going to pick the most helpful feature that I found. Was it the zoom in and zoom out? Was it street view, satellite view, save, or directions? Which one was most helpful to you? Then I get to explore Google Earth. With Google Earth, you're going to make sure that you click on the link and then you're going to have to click Launch Earth. After you've clicked on Launch Earth, you're going to select the magnifying glass right over here. And then you're going to type in your borough to get started. If you're in Brooklyn, you type Brooklyn, New York. If you're in the Bronx, you type Bronx, New York. If you're in Queens, you type Queens, New York. Manhattan, you type Manhattan, New York. Staten Island, New York. Once you have your borough, to get started, you're going to explore. And you're going to explore the information cards, the map style, the ruler, 2D and 3D, and some features of your borough. Here are the different things you might find. Then you're going to tell what does the feature do. What kind of style maps do you see once you click on this icon? The ruler, what do you think it does when you're clicking on it and interacting with it? 3D and 2D, did anything change for you? Then, just like we do with Google Maps, you're going to choose the most helpful feature and you're going to write about it here. So let's get started together to see how Google Earth works, just so you can get the hang of it, because it's a little tricky. So I'm going to click on Google Earth just to show you how to get to it. So once you click on it, the link, it's going to take you to this page. You're going to have to come down here and click on Launch Earth. Notice that it opens a new tab. And it takes a while to load. The thing is, I'm going to click up here to my search button and I'm typing in my borough. So I'm in the Bronx, so I'm going to type in Bronx, New York. Now that I'm there, here are my information cards. They automatically pop up once I type in the borough that I'm in. And I could see all the different information cards if I click on it. And I could even send them to someone as well, email them. I'm going to click on my map style, and I'm going to see different maps. We've been learning about so many different maps in class. Last, you're going to click on this button down here. What does it do when you click on it? What do you notice it's doing as I'm using it? I can't wait to see what features from Google Earth and Google Maps you find most interesting today, friends. Bye for now.